Y and Z せーのがさはい。わー
こちらをやります。ジンジャーブレッドハウスっていうね。あと少しでクリスマスなので作ってみたいと思います。これが作り方です。だからこういうの作るんです。こういうのこういうのがいろいろついたし、コロナとか来るし、こういう感じで来るんですし、こういう感じ。Like this.
Yep. Okay, so
yeah, I'll get there.
Okay, so let's open it.
Let's open it.
Few moments later.
Got this, and we got this, and we got this, and we got this, and we got this. This is like sprinkles, and this is like cookies. And then this is
the icing.
Yeah, icing. And this is kona.
This is icing too.
And then this is like decorate.
Yeah. It's the base, right? Yeah. And then this is and that's it.
And we're gonna put this in
on the bottom.
Track.
On the bottom.
On the bottom.
Okay, so massage this thing. これをもみもみして。
これなんかマッサージ。
Massage this. We are going to put this in a piping bag. You're going to put this in this thing. So we're going to put the icing in this thing. Where is it?
Oh my god, bro.
Okay, so 一緒にやろう。Let's do it together. Okay, いくよ。この中にいるよ。せーの。
ちょっと待ってて。これはそのトラックね。で、これまだ赤だけど結構デコレートして、で、こういう時はウィンドウ。これはウィンドウ。
It's red cookies. It's called red cookies, guys.
It's red.
That's why it's red.
こんにちは。
I guess that's it.
今日はこれ見てください。
Okay. 待ってください。
これ赤かな。
What happened over here, guys? Look! What happened?
Look!
It's right here.
Wait. Oh,
Okay.
shoot.
丁寧にやってください。
This is like...
わかった！食べて。
食べて。
Oh.
これ食べて、みんな。
We got it.
みんなこれ。
You better be careful. You know how to do it? This is the part and you go like this. Be careful.
Yeah.
Please.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Oh, okay.
No,次の。
Okay. Be careful.
Oh.
No, you didn't. You couldn't do it. 2, 1. Oh. We are going to open the icing. The other icing. Where is it?
これどうすんの？
ちょっと待ってね。We are going to open these. Right? And please wait. 待って、ちょっと待って。
Peanuts.
2, 1.
これ赤いしようかな。
It flew. We are going to start decorating. Finally.
はい。
Let's go. Are you sure?
どうしようってなんでこれ。
Okay, so I cut this part. Okay, and then this one. Okay.
5 minutes later.
Not bad.
Okay, Noah is done with it. That's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over here.
で、これで完成。ここにさ、シュルって、シュルっ
That is horrible. Guys, can you read this? I know it's horrible. こういう感じなんだって。What's that voice? 今の声伝えたいんじゃないですか。いける。Why tell me?
お師匠これめちゃめちゃなんかを見てください。これはかっこいいです。書きました。これできないの？できた。白じゃない？
This is actually good. Oh my gosh. I'm going to use this one. Yes. It's actually good. デコレートしてください、これで。I need to use this one next. So, yeah, use this one and decorate that. Okay? You ready? どこでもいいよ。全部使わないとね。So, I believe I am done with this one.
This one?
How does this look? Wonderful, right? Huh? Next one. I am going to do this one, the presents. Okay? Are you kidding me? We are waiting for it to dry. So we're gonna sing ABC song. Okay? 歌うか歌おう ABC 歌う。せーのが3。はい。A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Z, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, want to sing with me. It says, flip a truck side over. And we are going to flip this side. This one. Okay.
This one.
Okay, I'm scared. So, wait.
It was at this moment that she knew. She f***ed up.
だから、今ね、これがね、ルーフだと思ってたの。これがルーフだと思ってたら、違かったんですよ。これだったんですよ。これがルーフだったんですよ。で、これがここのやつだったんですよ、マジで。まあ、いっか。どう思いますか？どうですか？違う。やっぱなのね。Okay. It's okay. That happens. Right? Okay, so we're going to ice this thing. Okay? あ、見て。Okay? 待って。危ないからさ。
ねえ。
Basically, we are going to ice this part and this part and put all the things. Oh, hey. Okay, now go. No.
Hey.
Okay, and then I'm going to turn this since I'm doing it with that over there. Ah! Oh my gosh. I know, right?
A few minutes later.
We are putting this. If it falls, I'm gonna be sad. 1, 2, 3,
If we
Four.
draw and
5,
これたら
6,
we're gonna
seven.
give up.
8.
いいだ。怖いだった。
How are we going? Okay, so it says let dry 30 minutes. So before we are going to let it dry, we are going to put this on like this, so it stands.
Eventually.
はい、これで30分経ちました。これを立たせます。Okay, we're gonna be extra careful right now. Okay, let me do it because it's dangerous. Okay.
One. Go, baby. We're gonna wait 1 hour. ユニが取れそうだって。Luca, what is this?
No! せーのでサムネ撮るからね。はい、チーズして。せーのではい、チーズ。ルカも立って、立って。立って、いくよ。せーの、せーの。おめえー、ブロー。
粉が落ちた。
食べて、食べて、食べて。食べて、食べて、食べて。
まだ時間がある。
食べて、食べて。We forgot what it is. We forgot about this, man. Whatever, guys. Who cares?
Yeah, who cares?
We hope you guys had an amazing time watching our video.
Amazing time.
Happy holiday!
Happy holiday.
Bye!
Bye.
Merry Christmas!
Bye.